Roman numerals. Class 5th Maharashtra board syllabus. Problem set number 1. Question is question number 1 to 5. Welcome little champs. In the last I am going to share you some tips and tricks. Using that you are going to write down the Roman numbers in few minutes only. So just watch my video till the end. So let's start.
Hello student, today we are learning Roman numerals. Okay, so before we are going to jump into our topic, first we need to understand what is the type of number. We have two types of number. First is international number, and second is Roman number. What is international number? International number is nothing but our standard number. What is standard number? 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash till infinity. This is standard number. Standard number is nothing but international number. Don't be confused. Whenever I say international number is nothing but our standard number. What is Roman number? Roman number, it's nothing but in Europe. In the old time, Roman capital letter were used to write the numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. So, capital letter means capital I, capital X, capital V. This letter used to define the number. Okay. Understand what is the type of two numbers? First one is international, second one is a Roman number. International number is nothing but standard number 1 to infinity. And what is Roman number? Roman number is nothing but capital letters. Okay. Now our second part is how to write Roman number. So we need to first understand certain rules. Using these rules, we can write any Roman number from 1 to 1000. Okay. So rule number 1 is always remember capital I represent 1, capital X is represented 10 and capital V is represented as 5. We have some more, but for 5th standard you need to just remember these 3 points. Rule number 1 is clear. 1 is represented capital I, X is represented capital X is represented 10 and capital V is represented 5. Now what is rule number 2? Rule number 2 is nothing but letter should not repeat more than 3 times. And what this rule says? More than 3 times. Okay, means we can write down triple I, it is correct, but we cannot write I 4 times, it is incorrect. Okay, and this rule is only applicable for 1 and 10. 1 is nothing but capital I, 10 is nothing but capital X. This rule is not applicable for 5. Means we cannot write 2 times 5. 5 is only written as 1 time. Okay. Now what is rule number 3? Rule number 3 says addition and subtraction. Now when to do addition and when to do subtraction? Whenever there is a big number and small number, means small numbers appears on the right hand side of the big number, then we'll do addition. When small number appears on left hand side of the big number, then we do subtraction. Don't be confused. I'll explain you in detail. Means this is 10 and this is 1. So what is this number? Means this is 10 and this is 1. And 1 is a small number. X is a big number. So small number appear on the right hand side. Whenever there is a right hand side, we'll do addition. So we'll add these two numbers. 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. So this is represented as 11. Okay. Understood? And when this is 10 and this is 1. 1 is a small number. 10 is a big number. Small number appears on the left hand side of the big number. Right now? Now 10 minus 1 is 9. So how you write the 9? It's simple. This is 9. Okay. These three rules we need to understand first. Now we are going to do the problem set number 1. Our question number 1 says, write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. So we need to write the 1 to 20 number in Roman number. Okay. So we have learned the rule number 1. 1 is represented as capital I. 5 is represented as capital V. And 10 is represented as capital X. Okay. So first we write down the first three number. 1, 2, 3. It's very simple. 1 is represented at capital I. 2 is represented at 2 capital I. And 3 is written as 3 capital I's. Okay. Now how to write 4? Can we write like this? 4 times I's? No. Why no? Because our rule says we cannot repeat the number capital letters more than 3 times. So how to write 4? We have 5 and we have 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we need to do subtraction, right? So 5 is a big number and I is a small number. 1 is a small number. So we put on the left hand side. So this is how we write 4. Okay. 4. Now how to write 5? Simple. It's capital V. 6. We know the 5 and just put I on the right hand side. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. How to write 7? 7 is nothing but 5, 6, 7, 2 line. This is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. How to write it? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now 9. Can we write 9 like this? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can we write like this? No, because 3i is, it's 4 times i's. We cannot write 4 times I. So this is incorrect. So how to write 9? We know the 10 and we know the 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Simple. And 10 is nothing but capital X. Okay. 1 to 3, it's simple. Capital I, 2 capital I, 3 capital I. 4 is like this. 5 is capital V. 6 is, this is nothing but 5 and this is nothing but 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 7, 8 is nothing but 3 times I. 9 is nothing but like this and this is 10. Okay. So I hope this question is understood. Now let's write from 11 to 20. Now student, let's write down from 11 to 20. Keep in mind, we don't have any zero number. Means zero symbol we don't have in Roman number. Okay. We have only 1, 5, 10. Using these three number, we will going to write down the number from 1 to 20. Okay. How to do that? Let's see. 11. We know that 11 is nothing but 10 plus 1 is 11. So what is the symbol of 10 and what is the symbol of 1? It's capital I, capital X. So this is how we write down the 11. Same for 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 is nothing but capital X. 2 is nothing but 2 I's. Okay. Now 13. 13 is nothing but 10 plus 3. 10 is nothing but capital X. 3 is nothing but 3 I's. So this is how we write down the 13. Okay. Now 14. 14 is nothing but 10 plus 4 is 14. How we write 10? It's capital X. 4 like this. Okay. Now 15. It's nothing but 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. So how to write 10? Capital X. 5 capital V. So this is how we write 15. 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. Capital X and 6 is 5, 6. Okay. Now 17. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 is nothing but capital X. 7 is nothing but 5, 6, 7. Okay. 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. 10 and this is 8. Okay. 10. Now 19. 10 plus 9 is 19. Capital X and 9 is like this. Okay. 20. It's 10 plus 10 is 20. Capital X and capital X. Okay. How to write 20? It's capital X and capital X. It's capital X and capital X. This is how we write down the 20. Okay. So hope you have understood this number 11, 12, 13. 13 is nothing but like this. Okay. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and this is 20. Okay. Now let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 says, write the following number using international numbers. Okay. So they have provided the Roman number. We need to write down the international number. International number is nothing but our standard number. So how to write this? Let's see. Capital V, we know it's 5. Okay. Question number 2. V, we know it's 5. And 2I is nothing but 2. It's on right hand side. So we'll add the number. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. Capital X, we know it is 10. We know this is 10 and 3I. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay. 10 and this is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. This is 10 and this is 6. 6 is on the right hand side. We'll add it. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay. This is very simple. Whenever the I is on the right hand side, we will going to add it. When I is on the left hand side, we will going to do subtraction. Okay. Let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 says fill in the empty boxes. So they have given a table. They have provided some number, some Roman number also. In empty places, we will going to write down the answer. Okay. So first column they have given 3. And we need to write down the Roman number 3. So how to write? 1, 2, 3, I. Okay, this is how you write 3. In Roman number they have provided 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 5 and this is 3. On right hand side add 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 is our answer. So write down the 8 in words. Okay. They have provided 6. So how to write? 5 and this is 6. Okay. Now in the next column they have provided capital X is 10 and 2. 2 is on the right hand side. Do the addition. 10 plus 2 is 12. So write down the 12. Okay. 15. How to write down the 15? 10 and 5 is 15. Next is they have provided 10 and this is 9. 10 plus 9 is 19. So how to write down the 19? It's like this. So question number 2 is very simple. Wherever there is a filling the blanks, write down the Roman numbers. If the international number is filling the blanks, write down the international number in words. Okay. Let's move to question number 4. In question number 4, write the number using Roman numerals. They have provided some international number. We need to write down the Roman numbers. So let's start. 9. How to write 9? 10 minus 1 is 9. 2. 2i is nothing but 2. 17. 17 split it. 10 plus 7 is 17. How to write 10? It's capital X. How to write 7? 5, 6, 7. Just combine both of this symbol. Okay. Now 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus 1 on means we need to put it on I on the left hand side. 11. Just split 10 plus 1 is 11. This is capital X and this is I. So this is how we write 11. 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. This is capital X. 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how we write down the 18. Okay. I hope this question is also clear to everyone. Let's move to question number 5. Now question number 5 says put yes or no, means put right or wrong. So we need to compare international number with the Roman number. If it is yes, put the sign correct. If it is a no, put the sign wrong. Okay. So column number first, they have provided 4 and they have given 3i. 3i is nothing but 3. So is it correct? No, this is wrong. Okay. Now let's move to question number 2, second column. Okay. They have provided 6. Capital V is 5 and I is on the right hand side. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6. This is correct. Okay. Now third one. They have provided 8. This is nothing but 10 and this is 2. 10 minus 2. This is wrong. Why wrong? Because how to write 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how we write 8. So this is wrong. Now next one. This is 10, 5, 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. So this is also 16. Means this is correct. Okay. let's move to next one. 3 V's. 3 V's is nothing but our rule says we cannot repeat the letter V. So this is wrong. Okay. Let's see some tricks and tips. Okay. So first tip number 1 is just remember these 3 symbol, what it represent and how. Okay. Second, suppose in exam you got a question, write the Roman number from 1 to 30 or 11 to 20 or 21 to 30 for 5 mark or 10 marks. If you receive such questions, so how to resolve it without wasting time? Let's start. Just means to solve these 3 means from 1 to 30, the student will spend 5 to 10 minutes for writing the Roman number 1 to 30 correctly, but using these tips you will write in few minutes only. Okay, so how to write a Roman number from 1 to 30? Let's see. You know, Roman number 1 is capital I, 2 is 2I, 3 is 3I, 4 is like this, 5 is capital V, 6 is this, 7 is 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is like this, and 10 is okay. So I have written 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 you just remember this, and from 11 to 20 just put XX in front of this symbol. You will get the answer of 11 to 20. Means 11 like this, 12 put X like this, 13 like this, 14 like this. Okay, so for 1 to 10 you just remember this 10 number. From 11 to 20 just put 1x in front of. Okay, in front means on left hand side. Where to put? On left hand side. Okay, from 21 to 30 just put 2 x's. Where? In left hand side. Okay, so let's write down the number with in a few minutes. Okay, written Roman number from 1 to 10. Let's write down from 11 to 20. What I have said, just put x on the 1x on the left hand side. So start putting it. See how fast I have written the 11 to 20 Roman number. Now 21 to 30, what I have said, put 2 x's on the left hand side. So start putting. Okay, I have written 11 to 30 in few minutes. Hope you like this tricks. If you understand the Roman number and how to write down it, how to convert the international number to Roman number, just follow my rule first and then tips in the exam. So if you understand everything, just put the like button and subscribe button. We'll meet next video will be number work problem set number 2. So we'll meet soon. So just thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Just like it. Thank you.